Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix drive letter not showing in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix drive letter not showing in Windows 10 computer, open File Explorer, click on this PC. Look, no drive letters are showing here. Only name is showing, and inside bar look here, no drive letter is showing here. Now I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Click on View tab on upper left corner. Now click on Options. Folder Options has been opened. Now click on View tab and scroll down. Look here, you will find an option Show drive letter, and now it's unchecked. Just check this option and click on Apply. Look, now drive letters are showing on Windows 10 computer File Explorer. Click on OK. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.